Meaning of forger.
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 Forger. A forger is a person who creates fake or fraudulent documents, art, currency, or other objects with the intent to deceive others. The result of forgery can range from minor inconveniences, such as a forged signature on a check, to significant financial loss, such as counterfeit currency or forged legal documents. Additionally, forgery can damage the reputation of individuals or organizations whose names have been used without permission. In some cases, forgery can also lead to legal consequences, including fines, imprisonment, and criminal records that can negatively impact future opportunities.